We're back in Yakima at Waterfire Restaurant and Bar. Unique and incredible flavors are displayed perfectly on the plate, giving guests more than a meal. They're getting the full Washington State experience.
Oh my gosh, you've got to come check out the food. It is amazing.
I think people come here because they find their favorites and they come back for more.
You can't go wrong when you come here. It's amazing.
So a lot of our produce we can actually get locally. So like our vegetables, asparagus, cherries, apples, peaches.
Sous Chef Savannah Elliott knows that it's a combination of skill and incredible local ingredients that make their food so great. And this valley is the perfect spot to get everything fresh.
Yakima is centered in such a spot in Washington that we have all the mountains around us. It gives us such a diverse climate throughout the year that we have the ability to grow so many different products. So we can get hops for beers, and we get tons of wine from the grapes, and then we can access all of our fresh produce for the kitchen as well.
It's always a surprise as to what the seasonal menu is going to be and what the options are.
Good farm to table type food.
Our menu's constantly changing. We have access to some of the best ingredients in the Pacific Northwest. We want you to come in and be able to try something new every time.
So you and I get to cook today. So what are we gonna make?
We're gonna work on a beautiful salmon today. It's gonna come with a parmesan risotto. We have a local asparagus we're gonna grill off that we get from here in the valley. And we're gonna make a beautiful cherry compote with Washington cherries. And then we have a beautiful Atlantic salmon we're gonna grill off for you.
Quintessential Pacific Northwest.
Always a good light lunch.
Yeah, very good.
We're gonna start with the cherry compote. That one's pretty easy.
Okay. And these are dried cherries.
Yeah. So with the dried cherries, they lose a little bit of the sweetness and they come almost tart.
Yeah.
So they're better when it comes to savory dishes
I love
versus
that.
desserts.
Yeah, these are one of my favorite things to just munch on like as a snack.
We start by cooking some shallots and dried cherries.
That's a red wine that we use. You can add all of that.
I almost took a sip. So all of this?
Yep, go ahead. Basically, we're gonna cook out all the alcohol in it, which that's the fun part, unfortunately.
Yeah.
We're gonna cook it all out, make it nice and sticky.
We add some sugar and let it cook down for 20 minutes. Then it's on to the risotto.
I don't think I've ever purposely made risotto, but like accidentally made risotto. Cooking with Kristi, yeah.
I'd be down. We can try it
Learn from my
sometime.
mistakes.
We can try it sometimes. The best mistakes make good recipes, though.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised how many times we mess up and then we're like, oh that works out. Let's try this.
Pretty good.
Like, yeah.
We cook down some onion, garlic, and butter, then add the rice and slowly add chicken stock.
Honestly, you're gonna find me in a kitchen outside of work. I'm almost always in the kitchen.
Does your family have a favorite thing that you make?
Cheesecakes
please.
lately.
The
That's-
cheesecakes.
yeah.
We want to be part of your family.
Just let me know when you're in town. I'll make you a cheesecake. I promise. I got you.
That's your love language.
It is.
It's
I'm
food, yeah.
constantly feeding people.
Yeah.
We finish the risotto with salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese.
Kind of depends on how much cheese you want. So how much cheese do you want in your... There you go. That's what I thought.
More.
There we go.
These are like the star right here.
Because of the way the Yakima is situated, we get all 4 seasons. So it like allows us to grow such great produce.
Yeah.
So our asparagus almost all year round comes in great. It's thick, it's healthy. Some of the best asparagus I've ever had.
We grill the salmon and asparagus, then it's time to plate.
That's so good. It's like a bunch of different layers. The cherries are lovely.
Salmon's one of those fishes that takes a lot of flavors into it. When you add in the tartness of the cherries, it brings out the lightness of the fish. That's what we aim for with a lot of our dishes. We don't want you to just get one flavor palette. We want you to have an experience. You eat a little of this, then when you eat it all together, it's something else. You enjoy a couple glasses of wine, you eat your fish, and
Yeah.
it's a good night.
So delicious. Thank you so much.
For this and more chef-inspired recipes, visit us at wagrown.com.